Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Hawth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next category is Performing Arts, and the winner is Louise Ryrie. The Louise Ryrie School of Dance and Drama provides classes for all ages from toddlers through to adults. One class member who nominated the school said, "I am a 74-year-old student of the Louise Ryrie School of Dance and Drama in Crawley. I strongly recommend this school for a Crawley Community Award. Louise has great patience with the older dance students. She makes the class very interesting and lively, and we always look forward to the next lesson." The school also arranges tea parties and coffee mornings during the year, free of charge, to encourage the generations to mix and help alleviate the loneliness experienced by many of its elderly neighbours. Louise Ryrie, congratulations.